Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a construction crane. Let's start off by drawing a long trapezoid with rounded corners for the tracks. Next, draw a bunch of circles lining the lower part of the trapezoid. In the upper part, draw two smaller circles on opposite ends, connected by two long horizontal lines. On top of the tracks, draw a big L shape with rounded corners and leave the end open. At the open end, draw another trapezoid with sharp corners for the counterweight. In the front, follow the edge of the L shape and add a rectangle with the top left corner curving in for the window. Draw a horizontal line across for the frame of the glass. And for the arm of the crane, start at the upper left corner here and draw a line at about a 45-degree angle going up to the left, and another line that flares out a bit more. Mirror these lines above it, and close out the top like so. Then on top, draw a rounded nub that sticks out. At the back of the crane, draw two vertical lines going up from the counterweight with a circle on top, followed by a half circle at the top of the arm here. Next, we're going to draw a straight line connecting these two circles for the cable. Here's a good tip for drawing straight lines. Instead of staring at the tip of your pencil as you draw the line, stare at the point where you want the pencil to end. After you've drawn the cable, draw another pole with a circle at the end here, and connect those two with another straight line. Draw one more half circle here at the corner of the arm and connect that back to the previous circle like so. At the tip of the arm, draw two lines coming out with a circle at the end. And then, two long vertical lines going down from the edges of the circle, followed by one last circle at the end of the two lines with a hook underneath. That's looking really good already. But if you want to add even more detail, draw a line across the arm to split it into two. And then split those two segments into three each, followed by some X's in the boxes for the frame. Back in the L shape, draw a few rectangles for some cabinets. With short vertical lines on the right side for the handles. On the counterweight, draw some horizontal lines like so for the vents. Add a small oval to the right of the window for the door handle. Above the cabinets, draw a tube coming out for the exhaust and a small rectangle to the right for the machinery. And lastly, draw two lines going down from the hook at opposite angles, with a rectangle underneath for the load. You can draw some horizontal lines to make it look like wood planks, or you can make it carry something else, like a big box, a bunch of bricks, or even a grand piano. Now you've got a construction crane.